Hello everybody, my name is Tolhnay and today I am going to tell you about mobile health as a new horizons for health through mobile technologies. Firstly, I want to start with the content of my presentation. Presentation will begin with a defining position of mobile health. Then I will tell you about benefits of mobile technology. Next will be useful information about telemedicine and the ACG check device. And of course, I will explain social economic impact of mobile health to our life. Okay, let's start. What is mobile health? Mobile health is the use of mobile information and the communication technologies for improving health. It can be used for the practice of medicine and the public health supported by mobile phones, tablet computers, patient monitoring devices, personal digital assistants, and the other wireless devices. So, how about benefits of mobile technology? I think that the mobile phone has many advantages when deployed as a healthcare tool. First, even the simplest models can become powerful pieces of equipment like text messages and phone calls can deliver real-time critical information quickly and easily, which means those living in remote areas can reduce unnecessary travel to health centers to consult with doctors. This concept of benefit you can see in this picture. I can say that with a smartphone in their hands, individuals can engage in activities that improve their health and which is more important to prevent disease. So there is some questions. How it works? How can mobile health promise a better life? Let's think differently. In global, we can consider mobile health in terms of telemedicine. Formally defined, telemedicine is a use of medical information exchanged from one side to another via electronic communications to improve a patient's clinical health status. Telemedicine includes healthcare delivery, diagnosis, and also consultation. Telemedicine can be a virtual hospital. As you can I have short video to detailed understanding this exhibit. So let's see a video. Telecom and Health Solutions. Intelligent networks anytime, anywhere. Mobile healthcare. Also, it provides few inpatient visits thanks to telemedicine. Measurement of vital data at home and on the move. Telemonitoring of heart failure patients. Intelligent home emergency call service. It provides faster help in crisis situations. Multimedia at the bedside. That kind of mobile visits. Infrastructure for secure data exchange. Also video conference. I think it was a very interesting video. Let me continue. Have you ever heard about ECG check device? No? So I will tell you. ECG check device is a new iPhone cardiac monitor which is available to everyone. You do not have to be a physician to control your own heart data, and you can check it as often as you like. So it means that you can quickly and accurately record, report and store your heart's rhythms for peace of mind. As you can see in this picture, this device has features like easy to use monitoring applications and after start stop by placing fingers on electrodes, also automatic analysis within seconds, and user-centric data sharing and security, and so on. With this picture you can see how this device works. So important aspect in any project is the social economical impacts. Let's consider social economic impact of mobile health with examples. A few examples of the potential impact of mobile health. For example, in Bangladesh, 290,000 mothers' infants could be saved each year through an information campaign sent via SMS. Also in Russia, SMS treatment compliance could help cure 50,000 cases of tuberculosis. And in Hungary, treating certain patients remotely could save 40,000 nights in the hospitals. In Sweden, remotely monitoring the elderly so they can stay in their homes could save €2.4 billion each year. So, to conclude, I want to say that mobile health has the potential to increase both the efficiency and the reach perfect of healthcare services. The future of mobile health is a life-saving innovations for the bottom billion.